Good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. So the project title name is called Automatic Home Security System using GSM modem. So in this project we are using an 8089S52 microcontroller and 16x2 LCD display. So we are using an GSM modem SIM300 module. So we are using 5 sensors. Those are in home purpose we are using PIR sensor, proximity infrared detector. It can detect human bodies. And here we are using one LPG gas. It can detect the butane, methane gas. So which we are using the cylinders. So here we are using another sensor that is called the LDR sensor, light dependent resistor. So if there is a sunset, so it should be on dark. So when the sun is set, so the microcontroller will on the lights. So after that we are using one fire sensor. If any fire occurred in the house, they send the SMS to the owner, and at the same time the alarm should be on. And here we used one IR sensor. That is any person is inserted the key, they send the SMS to the owner, somebody is trying to open the door. So here we are using one exhaust fan for fire sensor purpose. Here the LDR is used for the LED. So let us going for the hardware side. Here I am using an 230 input step down transformer and 9 volts output AC with 500 milliamp, and that is connected to the GSM modem, and at the same time it is connected to the microcontroller of the power supply section. Here I use the two power supply sections. Why? The microcontroller having lot of the sensors, so the 7805 will be heated. So I given some of the components for this one regulator purpose and other the components for this regulator purpose. So here this is bridge rectifier, filter capacitor and 7805 regulator, and this section is called the power supply section. At the same time here also our main target board. In the target board we use the 4 diode 1 and 4007. Those are called the AC to DC. So after that we used 1000 microfarad by 25 volts electrolytic capacitor. So here we used 7805 regulator, that's LM7805 regulator. It's a national semiconductor positive regulation 5 volts constant pure DC output. If I inserted the power onto the power socket, so I will get the power supply indications of red LED. So after that I am going for the microcontroller. So in that microcontroller total 40 pin IC, each total 40 pin IC, total 4 ports. We have in port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Total 4 ports, each port consists of 8 pins, total 32 input output bidirectional, and port 0 is connected to the 16x2 LCD display. It's a character LCD display. Whatever the process is going onto the microcontroller, that should be displayed onto the LCD. And port 1 is used for the one LED and one transistor, two transistors, both are one connected with the buzzer, and it's an piezoelectric buzzer, and another sensor is connected to the DC motor fan. Something should be it's related to the exhaust fan. So port 2 is connected with the total 5 sensors. Those are called the PIR sensor. I inserted inside on the PIR, and another one the LPG gas based smoke sensor, and third one is the LDR sensor, and fourth one is the fire sensor, fifth one is the intruder. So if anybody enter, it gives the alarm. So if the fire, so these are all, what are the sensors? These are all are connected to the LM324 operational amplifier. That amplifier will amplify the signals and given to the port 2. Port 2.7 is connected to the PIR, port 2.6 is connected to the smoke, port 2.5 is connected to the LDR, port 2.4 is connected to the fire, port 2.3 is connected to the intruder. Those are the 5 sensors are connected to the port 2. And port 3 is connected to the GSM modem. It's a SIM300 module having of 2G SIM cards, 2G spectrum. It's an 850 MHz to 1800 MHz frequency, having 9600 baud rate. It can send the SMS as well as the receive the SMS. So in our project, we are all the information continuously sending to the authorized owner. It can receive the SMS. We inserted two numbers onto the microcontroller. Both if there is any fault occur, the owner will receive the SMS called something should be happened in house. So let us going into the software execution part. So in this part, first of all, it should be displayed in automatic GSM based. Please connect the GSM modem. When the GSM modem is properly connected, so it is going for the P for the PIR sensor, S for the smoke, L for the light, F for the fire, I for the intruder. So I am inserting some key or my hand. So let us see on the I section. I means intruder. Intruder is entered into the house, means somebody inserted the key. So the SMS will be received to the owner, means the key is inserted on the somebody inserted the key. So they will receive the SMS. If the SMS is sent to the owner, then it will be clear and sending to the authorized numbers. Okay, so if I am going further, so that was not sent. I am going for the again. I am connected to the GSM modem. If it is sended, it was the clear. Okay. If I am entered into the house, means my hand was. So I am going for the smoke. Fire. If any fire occurred, it will give the fire alert. Yes, it is giving the alarm. So and it is sending the SMS to the authorized owner numbers. That was sent. Perfectly sent it to the owner, and I am giving the smoke. Okay, smoke to the smoke sensor. So the fan is on, and at the same time, yes, is called smoke. Okay, yes, it was sent to the SMS to the owner's mobile. They will got the SMS. So perfectly they send it to the owner's numbers. Okay, perfectly it is cleared. And I am going for the LDR. LDR means it was I am keeping my hand to that one. See, the LED should be on. So they send the SMS means your lights, all lights are on. Fire okay, intruder okay, smoke okay, and if I inserted the PIR, so I will go for the PIR. Okay, so okay, here the PIR sensor is also detected the human body, and PIR sensor is S. If they sended the authorized own numbers, that is called owner will somebody is entered into the house, means they will send the SMS to the authorized phone numbers called SMS alert. Perfectly. So these are all the sensors will continuously monitoring the data as well as sending the information to the owner. So we can go for the large number of sensors added on to this microcontroller, and here also we can go for the another extra part. That part is called if the sensor will detect that particular information, we put a call to the owner, means that is called alert, and at the same time we will send the information to that number only, means you will be somebody is happened, something is happened, like that we will get the information at that time only. So if there is any doubts, let me know to SVS Embedded.